blood in, blood out, never speak. East Atlanta, Boulder Crest, affiliated.
YouTube! We have lowered the left side of the car. What? That didn't lower shit! YouTube! I don't know what I'm doing. It's fucking way too late. I'm in my garage recording. My dad is sleeping right now. Right here. Right now. I'm in the next fucking room. I'm freeballing here. I hate this video. I decided to start editing this video a year later after recording, and because the recording I thought sucked because it's my first time recording a YouTube video ever. Shit, honestly, intros aren't my thing. Just watch the video. Yeah, it's dirty as fuck. Out of it.
Turbos. Let's go. Yeah. Hi there.
Hello, can I get an extra large double-double?
Okay.
That'd be everything.
Those guys are really not the best.
No. Worst fucking Tim Hortons in all of Canada.
Pretty much.
Is this one.
See you tomorrow.
YouTube! YouTube!
Going on YouTube.
I don't know what I'm doing, but this is YouTube. Welcome YouTube. We're slamming this car. I'm gonna be a static guy. That's cool.
Slamming the Audis.
Slam the Audi. I don't know what I'm doing. It looks cool on the internet. I think that's why everyone does it. So that's what we're doing.
Yep.
Has coils, BC coils, but the springs are fucking not the correct springs. I don't know what the spring rate's on them, but they're fucking big. So I don't know how low we're gonna go, but we're maxing them out. YouTube. YouTube. We're slamming the car today. I got wheels for him. I got Hot Boy wheels, stance wheels. They're not 3-piece, but they're dope. They're dope. They're meshes. This guy, that guy, this guy, his old wheels. They're pretty dope. That car was pretty dope.
But we're slamming the car regardless.
It's on wheels. The guy at ATV.
Fucking record the ATV guy.
You missed it.
Wow!
That was content.
Dude, I don't know where he went.
ATV guy.
I wasn't paying attention. I'm sorry.
Slam YouTube. We're going to the buddies. That's Master Mechanic Man. I don't know shit. I don't know what I'm doing. I just post fucking TikToks. That's what I do.
But we're gonna put it on the ground. It's gonna be a good time.
Love to shoot dice. Say my lifestyle is extravagant. I talk cash shit, bitches say I'm arrogant. Well, goddamn, Gucci cock it in. But at the same time, young holy jogging slam. Gucci ain't shit, bitch, I beg your pardon. I'm independent, but I'm ballin' like a major artist. I stay high like Giraffe.
YouTube, look at me, cameraman. YouTube, enjoying the last little bit of fast car. This thing makes 400 horsepower, unreliably, very unreliable. I'm blowing valves, I'm blowing diverter valves, I'm blowing N75 valves. But that's alright. Whoa, see, if we were to be in a stance car right now, we'd be off the road.
Static, baby.
Yeah.
Alright, YouTube, it's just me and you. This light. YouTube, down in the comments, static and bags. Static.
Nobody better say bags, dude.
I mean, like something that's $100,000 or close to. Put the bags on it, like, understandable.
Yeah.
Because you're probably gonna put the fucking 10 grand wheels on anyways. If you're buying that type of car. But then, you ain't scraping, bro. You ain't laying frame.
You gotta be laying frame, bro.
Laying frame. Going down the fucking sketchy alleyway.
Dirty Vern skis.
Skis. Fucking in the hood.
In the hood.
Oh shit, look who it is. In the air. Oh! In the air. Oh! We scraping!
We're scraping!
Steering column with steering rack. That was bad.
That was bad.
We're going low too. We're going way so much lower. That was crazy.
Look at that tank.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Come look at the fucking big ass turbo on this thing.
What a nice bay.
Oh, I know.
What
Slamming.
a nice bay.
We're slamming. Chicken wrap.
Yurt.
Yum. Alright. Let's go find the homeboy.
Yurt.
Shit, you dirty stuff.
Bro's at work.
Good. Close shot on that. Close shot on that. Oh, look at these.
Those are sick.
So cool.
Doing your exhaust right now, Adam? Dang.
Custom. It's pretty good. It's pretty close. I'm a welder too. Oh, look at this. Yankee with no brim.
That's sick, dude.
It's so cool. I love this thing. Yeah.
That's awesome.
It's literally Yankee with no fucking brim. This is the mechanic Adam Man. That's your nickname.
Mechanic Adam, man. Now that's a clip.
I can't go by. Come on. Come on, huh? How you doing? Popping these purse like a nigga on bed.
This is my battery full but charged. Let's go. What the fuck? I think we're out of luck here. Well, Let's go check my car. Breaker bar. We're always prepared here. Professional.
Pump up the jam.
What?
Pump up
Pump
the
the
jam.
Wheel. Yeah, coil.
But what the hell, boy?
We're slamming it! So, the premise of what stancing a car is cut. Oh, what the fuck? Brake cleated the eyeballs.
Where's your
I'm a
safeties,
man!
bro? Where's your
I'm a man! I can
safeties?
take it. Almost there. It's moving.
It's moving.
That's just like locking on. Ooh, I need more paper now. Dude, you're gonna. I was just trying to make it dramatic for the YouTube guys.
Well, you succeeded.
This is what I'm using. This is how you tell when you're broke. You can't even afford like shop towels.
We're using free napkins. That's the way to do it.
I got a wire brush.
Oh, I also have a wire brush. What am I doing?
Fucking tree.
Here we go, boys. YouTube. That's what I do for you. I haven't done shit for YouTube. Progress. Progress. Yeah, it's gonna be impossible to move. How do I do that part now?
Here comes the fun.
I'm lost. I don't know what to do. Alright, YouTube. Cut the video. I'm done. Not going static anymore. Psych! That's what a bitch would say. I got something like this. Maybe that's all I got. I think we're gonna have to bum a hammer. One of these tools is gonna save us. I was very ill prepared for this, but
We're always prepared here.
who isn't? It's fucking.
Got a black bitch with a donkey ass. White girl wanna wear my monkey mask. I'm what a bitch need, I don't care if you leave. With your big musty funky ass, I can get a new bitch from the snap. I can get a new bitch like that. First date, take her ass to the trap. We make shit bleed, fuck rap. Spin on who niggas.
We're going for a smart car ride. Let's go. Smart car ride. There we go. Fucking big ass door for a smart car. Yo, those boost gauges. Yeah. YouTube. Made the smart car drive. Completely forgot to record the smart car drive, but we got a tool.
We got them strap wrenches.
Strap wrenches. Cameraman, slaving away. Oh, we got Buddy starting up his fucking.
Really? You can't move with your hands.
It feels so loose, but can't.
Oh. There we go. Yes, you can.
No, it's moving. You going the right way?
Yeah.
Nice sideburn stick.
That's as far as she goes, homie.
All right, then just crank her with the wrench a bit.
Or with the locking nut.
Yeah, or like just down. That's all you gotta do. Down.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure she's freaking
Slammed. Where
your mom at?
Whoa. One side slammed! Slammed! We're fucking slammed on one side! YouTube! We have lowered the left side of the car. How long did that take us? And it's starting to rain. We got maybe an hour until dark to get the right side done, but we did this side, so you know what we're doing now.
Yep. Jack that boy up, get that boy on the ground. Yeah?
Wood. Think she gained more camber? Now we're going lower?
Probably.
Chat. This jack sucks, so it likes to go. It's not mine. Oh.
What?
That didn't lower shit!
What?
Chat. What the fuck is going on? Chat, I'm like geeking.
Might be slightly geeking. Keep going.
Geeking. Do we use jacking points here? Fuck no. Geometry.
It's not settled yet, you gotta think that.
Chat. It's alright.
Slammed.
Slam, chat.
Side one complete. On to side number 2.
Chat. This side's a lot easier. It's going good. She's spinning. I got my little fucking rain protector here. It's pouring out. That's what I'm doing for YouTube. You guys better fucking like this. First YouTube video. I was just gonna try and say like a like goal, but who the fuck? I don't know if anyone's gonna even watch this, so. Ah! YouTube! YouTube! Disappointed on how little low we're actually getting, even though it looks like I'm fucking dropping it like insane amount. But you know,
You get like a good couple inches there.
it looked better when I got my new when I get my new wheels on it.
Yeah, I agree. The new wheels, and once they're all done, I think it'll be much lower than it is. Yeah, see. Still gapping. Still gapping. Not the good kind of gap.
I wanted tucked. I wanted to be tucked, but we gotta wait. We gotta wait. I gotta buy lower control arms for this thing. This guy, or is it upper right here, this guy. We'll get an adjustable for one of these. So I can fucking crank that way back. Or put it on washers. Who knows? This is my daily driver. So, I have work I have to go to. As in everyone does. Alright, let's do this. Oh! If you can't see shit, oh, there we go. YouTube. Fucking, she's slammed. Not even. Look at that wheel gap still.
You gotta settle, bro.
Yeah, we still monster truck. YouTube, what do you have to say?
That was hard, and I'm wet. I'm wet and hard.
Wet and hard. Well, boys. I don't know, am I ending the YouTube video here? I don't know, probably not. You'll see in the morning.
YouTube! I don't know what I'm doing. This is the end of the video. I didn't record anymore after that. After that, forgot to record the whole other side of lowering the car that didn't even really lower at all. pretty much just after recording, nothing major happened to the car besides demobilizing it. I hit the most fucking monster pothole known to man. I hit a nuclear crater. But YouTube, that has not stopped me from collecting parts. We have the springs to lower this. And I mean lower. We're talking about frame banging, sparking. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say. This was it. First video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Leave a comment down below. Would love to hear what you guys have to say. How do I end this?